When comparing Cloudways versus HostPapa for managed hosting, you're likely wondering which one provides more features to make your hosting experience smoother. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, but stick around because I'll recommend an alternative that could really change the game for you. Let's start with Cloudways. Cloudways is known for its flexibility and scalability. It's a managed cloud hosting platform, meaning you get to choose your cloud provider from options like AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, and more. This allows for a highly customizable hosting experience based on your needs. You don't just get shared hosting, you get access to top-tier cloud servers, which is perfect for businesses that expect growth. However, this flexibility comes at a price. Cloudways might be overkill for smaller websites or users just getting started, as it's built with more advanced needs in mind. Next thing, let's talk about HostPapa. HostPapa offers a more traditional managed hosting experience. Their strength lies in offering easy-to-use shared hosting packages with a ton of resources included. They provide things like free website migration, website builder, and unlimited bandwidth, which are great for small to medium-sized websites. HostPapa also has 24/7 customer support, which is key for beginners or people who don't want to manage too many technical aspects. However, for businesses or larger websites, the scalability of HostPapa isn't as strong as Cloudways, and the performance can sometimes fall short when compared to more cloud-focused platforms. Now, let's dive into the pricing and ease of use. Cloudways is more flexible in terms of pricing because you pay based on the cloud provider you choose, but this means you have to manage and adjust settings yourself. While it's not hard, it's not the most beginner-friendly. On the other hand, HostPapa offers more transparent pricing and has a simpler onboarding process, especially if you're a newbie. But if you need a hosting solution that grows with you over time, Cloudways cloud providers might be a better long-term investment, even if the upfront cost is higher. The fourth thing is performance. Cloudways offers faster load times and higher uptime compared to HostPapa, especially when using high-performance cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud. The built-in caching and CDN integration on Cloudways really help speed things up. HostPapa, while reliable for smaller sites, doesn't quite match up when it comes to speed for high-traffic websites. If you're planning to scale or need fast performance, Cloudways wins here. In terms of security, Cloudways has some advanced security features like dedicated firewalls, two-factor authentication, and regular backups. These features are crucial for sites that handle sensitive data. HostPapa also provides security features like SSL certificates and free daily backups, but it's not as robust as Cloudways in this area. The last thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms offer excellent support, but Cloudways stands out with its dedicated support team for higher tier users. They're highly responsive and offer premium support options if you're willing to pay for it. HostPapa's customer support is more general, but still solid, particularly for beginners. So, which one is better for managed hosting? Cloudways offers more features for advanced users and businesses looking to scale, while HostPapa provides an easier, more beginner-friendly option for smaller websites or those on a budget. Both platforms are solid, but after testing them both, I'd recommend something even better. If you're looking for a hosting solution that provides more flexibility, better performance, and all the tools you need to scale, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. This offer gives you the best trial with additional benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, this is the best alternative for achieving your hosting goals.